Good day, everyone. We are the Group 9. Today, we are going to discuss to you the operating system. But before that, before the discussion begin, let me introduce you the objectives overview of this topic. The OS, or also called operating system, helps a computer or phone work. It controls different tasks like turning the device on and off, running programs, managing memory, keeping files organized, and making sure everything works smoothly. This slide shows examples of what an OS does, like allowing you to connect to the internet, update software, manage files, and control security settings. How the OS or operating system starts when you turn on a computer or phone by pressing the power button. The OS or operating system helps load everything so you can use the device. Sleep mode. The computer saves what you are doing in memory and goes to a low power state. It looks like it is off, but when you turn it back on, everything is still there and it starts quickly. Hibernate mode. The computer saves what you are doing to the hard drive and then turns off. When you turn it back on, everything comes back, but it takes longer to start than sleep mode. The user interface is how you talk to the computer and tell it what to do. The graphical user interface makes it easy to use the computer because it shows pictures, buttons, and menus. Instead of typing commands, you can just click on things. Command line interface. Some computers use command line interface instead of pictures and buttons. In CLI, you have to type special words to tell the computers what to do. This way is harder to use, but some people like it because it gives them more control. Single tasking, the computer does only one thing at a time. Multitasking, the computer can do many things at the same time. Foreground, this is the program you are using right now, like a game or a web browser. Background, these are the programs that are still running but you are not using them at the moment, like music playing while you type. Single user, only one person can use the computer at a time. Multi-user, many people can use the computer at the same time, like in a big office.
The operating system functions include the background applications, foreground application, and indicate background and foreground apps running on computers. The memory management optimizes the use of the computer or device's internal memory. It means that the memory management is the process of managing the computer's internal memory, allocating it to various programs, and deallocating it when no longer needed. It ensures that the memory is used efficiently, minimizing waste and maximizing performance. Virtual memory is a portion of a storage medium functioning as additional RAM. It means that the virtual memory is a combination of physical RAM and hard drive storage that acts as a single, large memory space. When the physical RAM is full, the computer uses a portion of the hard drive to store data temporarily, freeing up RAM for other tasks. Next, we have the operating system that determines the order in which tasks are processed. It is because the operating system, or OS, plays a crucial role in managing the processing of tasks, also known as processes or threads, in a computer system. The OS determines the order in which tasks are processed through a process called scheduling. It says that a performance monitor is a program that assesses and reports information about various computer resources and devices. Because the performance monitor is a program that provides detailed information about various computer resources and devices, helping users and administrators to monitor, troubleshoot, and optimize system performance. The operating systems typically provide a means to establish internet connections. It means that the operating systems provide a means to establish internet connections through various methods, including dial-up, broadband, wireless, and Internet connections or Ethernet connections. The OS components involved in Internet connections include the network adapter, device driver, TCP or IP stack, and Internet connection sharing. The benefits of OS facilitated Internet connections include easy configuration, automatic connection management, improved security, and enhanced performance. It says that many programs, including operating systems, include an automatic update feature that regularly provides new features or corrections to the program. The operating systems also often provide users with a variety of tools related to managing a computer, its devices, or its programs, such as the file manager, search, image viewer, uninstaller, disk cleanup, disk refragmenter, screen saver, file compression, PC maintenance, and also the backup and restore. Some operating systems are designed to work with a server on a network. When we say network, it is the administrator uses the server operating system to add and remove users' computers and other devices, configure the network, install software, and administer network security. These multi-user operating systems allow multiple users to share a printer, internet access, files, and programs. A user account enables a user to sign in or access resources on a network or computer, such as the username and password, wherein a username or user ID identifies a specific user, while the password is a private combination of characters associated with the username.
Hello everyone, today we will talk about desktop operating systems. A desktop operating system is a complete system that runs on computers, laptops, and some tablets. It helps us use applications, browse the internet, and do our work. Some popular desktop operating systems are Windows, the most common OS used by many people. Mac OS, designed for Apple computers. Unix, an older system used mostly in big companies. Linux, a free and open source OS. Chrome OS, made by Google, work best with the internet. There are 7 features in the latest version of Windows. 1. Use tiles to access apps. 2. Includes the desktop interface. 3. Supports touch, mouse, and keyboard. 4. Built-in email, calendar, and browser. 5. OneDrive syncs for photos, files, and settings. 6. Enhanced security with antivirus and updates. 7. Windows Store for more apps. The Macintosh operating system is known for its ease of use. The latest version is OS X. Unix and Linux. Unix was developed in the early 1970s as a multitasking OS, widely used in servers and workstations. While Linux is a Unix-based OS, open source, and widely used in different industries, including web hosting and cybersecurity. Chrome OS is a Linux-based operating system by Google, designed mainly for web apps. It's fast, secure, and cloud-focused, running most applications through the Chrome browser. It's used in Chromebooks, Chromeboxes, and Chromebases, and supports Android and some Linux apps. The mobile operating system, OS, is what powers your smartphone, tablet, and other portable devices. It manages apps, connects to the internet, and keeps everything running smoothly. Examples: Android by Google, highly customizable. iOS by Apple, smooth and secure. Windows Phone by Microsoft, now discontinued. Operating systems have common functions like managing hardware and running applications. They come in different types: desktop OS, example Windows, Mac OS; server OS, example Linux, Windows Server; mobile OS, example Android, iOS.